When we talked about getting an iPaaS system, I had a very small vision of what we could do. And I didn't know until we got the tool in and got the team built just how much we could really accomplish with Workato. It's been just incredible. Asana, the product, is a work management platform. We are there as a place where work can get done and try and minimize work about work. It's where you get the work done. It's where you document the work. It's where you communicate with your team. From an IT perspective, what we were bumping into is just silos. We had different tools that had different pieces of information, and we didn't have a great way to pull all those pieces together, to take the information from one place to another and really correlate that stuff.
You know, we're a really lean team, but there's a lot of requests coming in that people are asking for, and it's sometimes hard to prioritize what we're going to do next or what's going to be on the roadmap because, you know, some things are very high impact but take a lot of time, or some things are like really low impact but we can do it quick.
We already had a few iPaases at that time. We already were doing integrations in different teams, but we needed something for specifically just for IT. Why? Because we were starting to get requests from other teams to build automations.
Some of the challenges were really designing those integrations and what we can actually build and having the tools in hand to actually get those done. We'd have to write certain Python scripts, write Bash scripts, kind of just building everything on our own, and that became sort of a bottleneck.
Our services are meant for everyone at Asana and not just specific teams or anything. So these requests were coming from different teams to build automations for them. And the native solutions for these platforms that we had, the native solutions were just not enough. Now, I wasn't just deciding a platform for myself. I also had to look for something that would work for the team. So I wanted something that would be easy for everyone to learn and also can do something at a very simplistic level for the citizen developers, but it can go as complex as it's possible for the enterprise, and Workato just hit the mark.
Just really blown away by some of the out-of-box connectors that Workato offers. Make it so much easier for us to start building.
It's just time to resolution. I mean, we can just deploy things so fast. We're not stuck waiting for finding the right vendor and getting them to build a tool or a function that we need. We can self-service this stuff incredibly efficiently.
Any automation that we are building, it has to be highly impactful. It's not just one-to-one automations and things. For those kind of things, we are actually giving access to people who can solve their regular problems in their teams, and they can build their own automations.
Workato allowed us to do is really break down those barriers. When we allow people to bring in ideas from all over the business, and we're no longer the bottleneck, it's not so much dependent on our engineering time.
It enables us to focus our time on bigger projects and more projects.
Either it's directly impacting the business, or it's saving on hours, and it's impacting a large number of audience in the company.
Really rewarding to see other teams and how happy they were to eliminate a lot of manual tasks to free them up for what they really wanted to do.
Now that we have some time, so we know that we can build new projects and new automations which are going to be more valuable.
It's really just exceeded my expectations in so many ways. I mean, we're building things because we can hand this tool to so many people. They're building things that I never dreamed of.